What's up guys, welcome back. So it's just going to be a little quick video. I'm just starting with the Lego City, so that's really exciting. We're just going to be doing some work on the roads, so let's take a look at what we're doing. Let's go. So this is where we're at so far. We've got the Lego corner garage there. I'm just working on the roads, as you can see. So we've got that road plate in, and we've done it on the Mills plate, as you can see there. We've added in the little detail. For the moment we've been discussing, me and my wife, what to do with the paths. We're just going to keep it the sort of dark bluish grey, or anthrite as I prefer to call it. But that's it. So then we just added in the crossroads here. Need to carry on the road there. This video will already be out by the time this video comes out, so make sure to check that out. This was the purchase giveaway from the Lego store and all the little accessories, so make sure to check that video out. But yeah, so I'm just going to do a little time-lapse video of working on these corners to make it look like so. If anyone has any better ideas, let me know in the comments, but that was the best I could do for the corner, which was using the 1x8 and then a 1x6, a 1x1 white with a 1x1 white on top, and we got one with a number plate on it, but it's not visible. So yeah, it doesn't quite line through, but that's the best I could figure out for that. Anyway, let's get into a little time-lapse video. I'll be back in a minute. Right, I decided instead of the time-lapse, we're just going to actually do the build. So we've got the 1x8, adding a 1x6 white on, and then we're going to add a 1x6 white onto the 1x6 white brick. That creates us that little section there. So the next thing I need to do is get a 1x1 white onto here, and then a 1x1 grey onto there. That gives us that. So then we're going to go with a 1x1 smooth tile grey, and then I went with a 1x1 smooth tile white there, like so. And then we can add in a couple of 1x4s greys, which I've got to find. They're up in here. There's two of those, so we can just add them in there and there, like so. And then we want a 2x1 grey, which has got a keyboard on it. We've got one without a keyboard. We need to get some more bulk order parts for these roads. But anyway, so we add them in, and then that's the idea. Well, not the idea, this is copying from what other people do, hopefully to the best of my ability. So that gives us the corner section like so, and then we're gonna dig on in. These, very naughty I know, but these aren't genuine Lego, these bricks. I've got a drawer full of genuine, let's have a look. So over here we've got all the genuine Lego bricks here and the non-genuine Lego bricks there, but I'll be honest, for me I'm just using the non-genuine at the moment. There we go, get back in. Just to get rid of them, and this is just, it's not visible. Right, I just thought, so we need some Technic. So I've got two 1x4 Technics. We add them into the corner, which will work nicely to make it for the clip together system. We'll add a 1x4 in, brick, blue, like so. So that's what I've been doing for them, and I'm just going to find a big plate. What we got most colour of, we've got quite a few of the dark bluish grey, so so we'll pop that little bad boy on there. And that's that. That's that corner section ready for tiling. And as I said about the tiling, we're just going to carry that through with the anthracite. We'll take a look in a moment once I've completed all this. So, quick update. I've taken these tiles off here so that I could pull it apart, got it clipped together. Now we've built that corner section up there, and that's all the 4 corners built. So now I'm just going to pop some tiles on it, and I think I'm just going to go slide that back in, go ahead with this little pattern like that. I've got quite a few of these ones, but I am struggling a little bit on the 2x2s, which, as you can see, I do now need one for there. I have got some. I've got my little one down here. I'm not going to get her in the shot, but she's just currently sorting them out for me, finding them. So that's that. These ones I put in that way. A bit difficult with one hand. It's got a bit of blue tack underneath here, so that this doesn't move. This doesn't move when I'm filming the stop motion. Well, that's it. So get them little bits tiled off quickly. Right guys, so that's it for this video. Let's just take a little look at what we've achieved. So there we go. Look. So there we go. A little bit of a clear down of the desk. So we've got all the corner crossroads complete. We've got the zebra crossing in. We've currently got the little signs to say you can't go that way. Obviously there should be signs there and there, but I don't have any more. Added the recycling bin back in, and we got the little turtle, and also added in the cash machine, because obviously if you're going to get your car fixed at the garage, you're going to need some money, and also if you're taking your pet to the vets, you're going to need some money, and we're definitely not cashless. Cash is king in this Lego City, and because we charge a lot of council tax but we maintain the area, we've also got plants in the middle of that bit of path as well, so they can be trampled on nicely. But yeah, so that's it. So part 1 really of the start of the Lego City. So as I say, check out this video if you haven't already. Check out that video, that build, if you haven't already. And yeah, please make sure to like and subscribe for more. I'll see you on the next one.